Hey, siap na siya. So here having my walk, which I do every day. Should walk every day too. And I'm listening, thinking, what can I hear? I can hear a spall. Spall. Ha ha ha. Spall. 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 I can also hear the yachwala. 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 The yachwala. And I can hear the quw'utsun. Quw'utsun. Oh. Quw'utsun. Quw'utsun. Last one you could hear is a kalaka. 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 Ah! Kalaka. And if you listen close, you can even hear the chachan under my gumei as they walk around. The crunching of the chachan. So remember when you're out in the woods to Hul'q'umi'num, to listen. Listen for what you can hear, because it's not only our eyes we use to see, you can use your ears too, hey? So there you go. Hul'q'umi'num. Use your brains. Hul'q'umi'num.